got the timetable. All of you only notes also in the video, recorded video. Everything I'm going explaining so that if you it will be beneficial for you people only. So that you tell them to take. Hmm? Because they can take an advantage of that all the modules being covered till now, because it's an online class, I can't interact. It will take some time to interact and all. Instead of wasting time, at least you share that screen information, they will go through once. Okay. Okay, next we want just I told that loaders linkers part. After this class, if I'm going to get the time, I will go through that also once again. No problem. First, we will finish some portion. Yesterday we can't able to cover that portions. Okay, already the bottom up parsing shift reduce parser is over, and then we'll come to this last class. We'll explain about this operator precedence parsing. Handle means what? In between these symbols, wherever this symbol is there, less than symbol, put one dot in front of that one, greater than symbol, put one dot, and then that precedence operator relationship also there, that also they are given in the table. See, this table is very very important, that the precedence operator table. This table going to give the information about the operator precedence. Many times they're asking, write a short note on operator precedence parsing, and they can also explain about the parsing of terminals, what happens, and then the in between the, don't do all these things please. After the class, I will give time for this also. We'll okay, in every class at least 5 minutes we'll discuss for this. Okay, remove. We'll discuss these activities before after the class. Okay, you tell me within wind up within before 5 minutes we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, this operator precedence and all, less than, every time we'll going to put one dot. This also that handle string, whatever the string patterns, put it the dollar dollar, and then less than symbol from the left side and right then symbol in front of dot at the right side corner, and then put the matching string. So these are all already been discussed. You go through once. These notes already have given. This you go through once. Next we move on to the, see this SAA already I defined this also. Next come to the closer. See, definition of augmented grammar also I given. LR of 0. LR, left to right scanning. R stands for recursive. That means we have a right most derivation in reverse order. Always we'll go in LR, in the sense always we go in the reverse fashion. We go every time we'll go in the form of reverse fashion. So that's what we have a definition of LR of 0 augmented grammar from beginning. The augmented grammar, which is the starting symbol, that should be reduced by S dash. S tends to S dash, or E dash tends to E. Like that, we'll have an augmented grammar will be present in every problem. Next, come to the next part, kernel. This is the problem last class we have discussed. So I will explain forum and go to actions. See this example. First, we go with these examples only. So what is that? They're given one problem. This is simply for 6 marks question they're asking. Compute, consider the grammar extends to xv by I. Compute closure of I and then go to of I. See, for this closure and go to, many times they're asking 12 marks also, 14 marks question also there for to calculate for this closure. Closure of I, just whatever the equations, whatever the productions they may give, put dot. First, after this arrow, put one dot and put it in the I. This is the closure of I. Every production, first, second, third, what are the production they may give? First production here they're given I. So that tends to X, same thing, same production, but put dot in front of that arrow. Then you go on moving the dot. How will go on moving the dot? Closure of I. X tends to dot X. This is the first equation. Next also they're given one more equation slash A. That also that means before going to start A, we'll put dot, or else in arrow mark, first of all, or after arrow mark, put one dot. That is the first step we're going to take. That is nothing but a closure of I. Always go through this one. Put dot and then next non-terminal symbol or terminal symbol. Here X will be the non-terminal, dot A will be the terminal symbol. That will be whatever closure of I is over. Then go to options. Go to of the non-terminal I comma X. I already I will be the first equation, comma, what is the non-terminal symbol in the first equation? X. Take that X, I comma X. That will be nothing but the same thing. After X, put dot. Just move the dot from left to the right. X dot B. That will be the go to. We move the go to the next level. We'll have another one. That means we have after dot here what? A. So go to of I comma a. Write in go to comma I comma a. After that, whatever the symbol is there, you write it here. Go to of I comma a. So I comma after a put dot. Then that will be closed. In closer and go to main intention will be the dot will be end, the end symbol. Every time we need to arrange like that, so the dot will be the end symbol, or after dot it will be the non-terminal symbol. That will be ends with like this one. Either dot ends last or dot terminated with the terminal symbols. Like that will go on giving. So this is the things will go on calculating for closer, and then go to very simple x tends to dot xb and then x dot b and then dot a, then move to x a dot. Like that will go into perform the operation. Next we move on to the next one. We have another example. Go through this example. This is very important one. 12 marks question. Last year, last paper, they're asking this question. You have any question paper, you go through this question. Consider the grammar. A s tends to a s b. A and S both are capital slash B. Capital A tends to S A bar A. And one more thing in closure of A, whatever the dot, the first dot, afterwards any non-terminal symbol if you found, after dot any non-terminal symbol if you found, immediately we have to reduce. Immediately we have to write the production for the same. That also we go on doing here. Here we have these three S dots. See, first put dot in the beginning. After arrow, put dot. See, first is the S dot AS, then S dot B. B also another production S dot B, A dot A dot SA, A dot A. This is the first closure of I. These are all nothing but I told, whatever the production they may give, everything the closure of I, put dot in front of the particular non-terminal symbol or terminal symbol. First beginning will be dot. Next, call this as here onwards, one by one we need to reduce. One by one we need to calculate the go to. How will we going to calculate the go to? First one, I naught. We'll call it as I naught. I naught in the sense first production S tends to dot AS, S tends to dot B. This is the first initial level, it will be called as I naught. Next, go to. Whenever we'll come to the next, what is the first after dot? What is the first symbol? Non-terminal A. I naught comma A. A is will be the after dot in the sense immediately we need to reduce. So definitely we have an augmented grammar. I told augmented grammar. S is there, definitely S dash. S dash tends to dot. Remove this S and put it as S dash, because S will be the start symbol. Augmented grammar make it as S dash. S dash tends to dot AS is there, that you reduce it to push the dot to the next level. A dot S, that part is over, S dot S. Then remaining all are as it is. Augmented grammar, first grammar put S to S dash. If it is E is there, E to E dash. S tends to dot B move. B, that means we need to consider only at a time only one production. Next level, see in the next I2 we have B next to the next level. Remaining all are as it is here. S dash, if I made remaining dot B dot S A already is there, whatever is there we write as it is. One time one productions we need to reduce. I1 is over. I2 next is I2 is S dot B, so that will be reduced to B dot B. I not B, I not comma B. Next go to I3. I3 in the sense third production A tends to dot S A already I naught comma S you have to take. A tends to S dot A, S dot will be moved like that. The remaining part will be as it is. S dot A tends to dot. The same as it is, you write down everything. And then go to I4. I4 will be go to of dot A is there. That is the fourth production is A tends to dot A dot. That means A tends to A dot. These are all the things. Just we are moving. Main idea to move the dot from one part to the other part. See, after I4 is over, then we come to the next. We need to write a grammar productions and all. So like that, they may ask this for 6 question. This is the last example I'll taken for you people only. This they're asking 2013. They're asking 13 and 15. They're asking this as to 12 marks question. Same thing, asking to 12 marks question. So they are asking to draw the table. Here they are asking so that following grammar S tends to A, B, A, C, everything they are given in the production is not SLR of one. Just you have to show it is not SLR already, left to right parsing SLR. That means we have a simple left to right scanning of one. One in the sense only one look ahead symbol will be there. That is not or not. It is true to the SLR or it is not acceptable to the SLR. You just check it out. They are asking to do like that one. First everything you write down. S tends to your write down and then dot you put it. That will be I naught. Put dot. and then that will be the I naught. And then augmented grammar, if it is S is there, S dash tends to dot S. Definitely we have to write this S dash tends to dot S and then start commencing the symbols. Put dot for everywhere. First, only two things: augmented grammar S dash to S and put dot initially for all the production, that is I naught. From here onwards, you'll go to I1. I1, what is the I1? First production is S tends to AS. So S will be the start symbol. So go to I naught comma S. Yeah, I naught. That means I naught obviously will be there. Every production is included in the I naught. So I naught and then S will be the start symbol. Then what happens? Augmented grammar, we have to write only augmented grammar. I2, what is the I2? Immediate, the next after dot, immediate non-terminal symbol is A. Take that also, I naught comma A. In I naught only we have a immediate dot, we have a I naught comma A. I naught comma A in the sense we just move dot to the next level, A dot A, that is over. Then next third production is what? Dot BAC. Dot B in the sense immediate dot is B, I naught comma B. So B, after B we have to put dot AC. This part is over. Next AC, after this B dot AC, again we have a B as it is, we write A is AC is what? Whatever they written AC, that will be written as dot DAC. Why? Because of we have already written one more productions here. See, S tends to AC, it will be next to S tends to B dot DA. Why it will be B dot DA? In the sense, same thing. See, whatever S is, S will be the starting grammar. So we need to reduce the same thing. Again, you could take the same non-terminal symbol, yes. So same thing, B dot AC is over. Again, S production is there, that B dot DA. So again, move this production. All are same. B dot AC is there, B dot DA. So group together under the B only. Therefore, I am considering this B. B dot AC is there, B dot DA. So put it everything, and then finally A will be the last symbol. Consider, see, after dot one more symbol is found is capital A. Therefore immediate we have to reduce this one. A tends to dot D, as it is we have to write up. So like that, after dot any non-terminal symbol if found, immediately we have to reduce, or else anywhere the B is found we have to make it move the dot to the next level. Like that we go on doing. I4, come to the fourth production D. Fourth production is S tends to BDE. That means S tends to BDE in the sense, what is that one? Dot B already we have written, B dot DA is already be written, and then we come to this fourth production 1 2 3 4 dot DC is there, dot DC, D dot C. So D dot C in the sense, again one more is there, D is also present in the production A dot D. So that also been removed, moved the dot D dot. That means part been over. Wherever D is there in the production, take that one and then move the dot. Again go to of I2. Why I come to this? See, from here onwards we go with I2. Up to all the six production, all the 4 5 6 productions been over. I3 of A, everything been over. Next will come to the next, we have a go to I2 of A. Why I go with I2 of A? In the sense, I2 in the sense, the next we have A, that means A dot A is there, after dot we have terminal symbol, take that one and then move the dot, that will be over. This part is finished. I2 of A going to say dot lastly will present, so this I5 is over. Then every time we go on doing the dot to be moved to the last level. I6 go to I3 of A. What is this I3 of A? Come to this next immediate terminal, immediate symbol, B dot A. In this dot A is capital symbol, so that purpose we take an I3 here and then A will be the non-terminal symbol. So what happens? BA dot C. Next come to the next level. What is that one? I7. I7 is what? I4. I3. See, I3 comma D. D also present here. D in the sense dot D is there. To move that particular D will to move to the next level. Like that, every time you go to the production, see next is I4. So I4 is there, C is will be there. So DC dot C. That part is over. Then I9. Again we have a C. Where is that? Means I6 comma C. In I6 also we have C, BA dot C. In I10 we have an I7. I7 also we have a last production is what? A. So that I7 comma A, move that after A we put the production. Every time either it will be ends with dot or it will be ends with a non-terminal symbols. So dot will be go on moving. Dot will be go on moving from all the productions. So now we'll need to calculate the follow of S and then follow of A. Follow of S, argumentally start symbol is S. So whenever start symbol is S, definitely dollar to be included in the follow of s. This is a one rule will be there for every time. Anywhere you go, any grammar production, they may give any starting symbol is they give, then that will be add the dollar symbol to that one. Follow of s include dollar symbol. Follow of a remaining is follow of a. Where we got this follow of a? See, come to this production a, where we got this follow of a. C, a c, a comma c, a both are nothing but your lowercase letters, that means terminal symbols. We ends with a terminal symbol. Follow of a. See, last follow of a, everywhere we have ends with a comma c. Why it is ends with a comma c? See, all these productions you may see everywhere. What happens? We have a dot, we have a c dot, c a dot, c dot, a dot. This is the things we finally ends with c dot, dot, a dot. Like that, we'll ends with only the terminal symbols a dot and then c dot. So which are the symbols we have terminated, that to consider? Follow of a is a comma c. So ends with follow of. That means everything we have to write it in a table. Action or go to. In action we have an I naught. See, whatever action in the sense I to 10, we have a symbol closure of productions I naught to I10. Right, I in the column 0 1 2 3 10. Then what are the terminal symbols we have been present? See, terminal symbol a b c d, everything you write it, and dollar also write it. Go to in the sense s will be the start symbol s, and then a in the sense capital letter a. Only see the left hand side, we have only two production s and a. So write it this s and a in the column. See, in the go to s, go to a. So only we have two productions, so s and a. See, only one or two row I will going to tell. See, I naught comma b. Come to this I naught comma a. Nowhere is there. Go to I naught comma a. Go to I naught comma b. See, I naught comma a. We already got a dot a. Already you got I naught comma b. Come to this I naught and then b. Where it is there? I naught comma b. Where we have shifting three productions. See, we have a three. Why S3 I'm written in the sense we have a three productions, three shifting we are doing. B dot again B the dot will be reduced. So we have a three productions are there. So we have to write a S3. So I naught comma D. Why I'm come to this I naught comma D? I naught comma D instance that will be under the closure I4. See, that also you can write I4. I4 in the sense we have a closure of 4, that S4 shifting. That means we are shifting 4. Here also one more shifting 4. So we have a D dot C. See, we are shifting dot at the fourth position here. Dot is 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. Fourth time we are go on shifting. So dot will be shifting from one level to another. See, this is the way. S will be the first augmented grammar. We write yes. Second, A action. Action in the sense we have a A in the sense we are having how many times you got is A, 2 times here. In I3 also we have A production, I4 also A production. Write it as A. S will be the augmented grammar. So write it first as an augmented grammar. Like that, we'll go on writing action and growth. Once again, I will tell you in the second. See, here in the third row, I will going to say third row I naught comma D. Come to this, go to I naught comma D. See, I naught comma D. Why they are written as S7 in the sense go to S7? Because in S7 only the I7 in the sense will end with a D dot. Therefore, where it will end D dot I7, so that we have to write a S7. So we go with the I naught comma D is there in the third. That means we have I3. Where is go to I fourth? Closer of go to I naught comma D will be there in the fourth. That will be ends under the seventh step D dot. So therefore, we D dot will be found at 7. So S7. So here we have a go to actions will be how many steps it will going to take. Go to dot will be moved similarly. 6 steps will go on moving. So we have a 6. So therefore 0 to 7, that means definitely we have a 6 steps are there. We write down 6 steps. So why it is not a SLR1 in the sense C, and the fourth one I4 comma C. Go to I4 comma C. Here what happened in the sense I4 comma C, we have a S tends to DC dot. If I did mention this DC dot, and what happens, this DC dot will be already been there. This will be one more time, it will be already been present. DC dot in the sense it will already been present. This is not a particular symbol going to say. See, why it is not a particular symbol in the sense go to I4. I4 in the sense what happens, D dot C and then D dot, it will be ends. But here is not possible to end. Here it is not possible to end DC. Directly we are writing DC dot. We're not doing any shifting here. Directly we come to this DC dot and we can't able to shift any operation. So definitely this is not a SLR of 1. That there we are going to show that it's not an SLR of 1. Here only. That's why I written round mark also here. Round mark also here. That round mark only going to sell S8 and then that reducing and all whatever they're going, it's not able to show it is an SLR of 1. So like that we'll going to do the particular closure and then action. One simple thing I will going to tell in I will going to brush up everything. So in this, put everything in I naught. First step, whatever they will going to say, put everything in I naught, and before going to start actions, put dot first. Beginning only put dot. Next one production you can take I naught to next I naught already S dash and S star. So I1 take the first production I naught comma S. Move the dot. Again I2, move the dot. Second production, move the dot. Third production, move the dot. After moving the dot, if anywhere non-terminal symbol is present, see B dot AC. After move the dot from dot B to B dot, then immediate we have a production is there. Because of that reason, we need to reduce. Because A is a nothing but we have a non-terminal symbol. So again, what happens? Again, we have a B is also there in the particular grammar production. So again, we have B dot DA, and already a B dot A will be the non-terminal symbol, A to dot D. Immediate we have to reduce. Like that you go on doing for all the things. I naught comma D is a single terminal symbol. So again, for that means the fourth production is there, D dot C. D dot C. Here why D dot C? D already been once again is there. So it is also there in the A dot tends to D dot. Move the D dot and then keep it here. So like that we'll go on wherever D is there, we can mention like this one. So like that wherever we have the particular terminal symbol, consider and then move the dot. Consider and move the dot until your closure property ends with a dollar dot, not dollar dot, dot ends with a dot. If any follow of yes, we have to calculate. If this is start symbol yes, immediately we'll push the dollar symbol. Follow of a, whatever the terminal symbols you found out at the final stage. A will be final stage we got, C we also will get the final stage. So put that was symbol in the follow of A. Put it everything in the action and go to. Action and go to same thing, just mention in the table. So after knowing these actions, go to closer and all, next come to the another production. See this I can't able to explain again and again, just I'm showing this example. See in this I was taking snap and consider the following grammar. Here construct SLR parsing table for the grammar, also parse the input string a plus a star b plus a. How we have to perform this parse the input a star b plus a? How they are given all the productions, you write it like this 1 to 7. See each and everything we need to reduce e plus t or et, t tends to tf, everything you reduce a 1 to 7 productions. Immediately we have to put dot symbol, and then already you know e will be the start symbol. So augmented grammar will be e dash dot e. That also you already you know. Wherever start symbol is found, immediately e dash tends to e or s dash tends to loss plus last problem already we did. Like that you did everything in I naught. See I naught in the sense starting part will be dot dot e plus t dot. Every time we have a symbol dot will be there beginning. Then come to I1. I1 in the sense from I1 onwards go to. What is the first symbol? Non-terminal symbol E. Go to I naught comma E. And then whatever is go to I naught comma, already you know e dot e. That means e dot a augmented grammar. Could move the e dot to the next level. Like that you go on doing everything. I can't able to explain again and again. You go through this example. It's very interesting to example. Every time move the dot, move the dot, move the dot to the end stage. Here in this moving the dot, they're moving the dot to the end stage. Every time we need some steps. Every productions I2 for second production, I3, see consider I3, that is third production dot tf. So wherever tf, that means move the d, f is a non-terminal symbol. Again we have to move the productions. Again we have a dot, a dot in the sense the dot will be finalized dot at the last positions you found, wind up. No need to expand further. Go to I naught comma a. Like that I naught comma b. B is also last production, b dot will be reached. Like that we reach that level and then ends the production. Later lastly we need to write the grammar, that means table for this grammar. See table also very easily already I told, you know, action and then go to all the 9 states are the 9 closure properties are there. I naught, I1, I3 up to I9 we have to write, and then whatever the symbol present in the grammar plus star ab everything you write, dollar also have to write. And then go to in the sense always you move the productions with respect to the non-terminal symbols only. etf, 3 non-terminal symbols will be there. First only I will going to say, see dot a dot b dot you got at what level you write down that s4 s5 shifting 4 shifting 5 position. That means in i4 and i5 only you got all these things in i4 and i5 only. See here i4 and i5. See here i4 we got a dot. I told i4 you got a dot, and i5 you got b5 b dot. So this purpose only we are writing s4 s5. That is enough for the particular table drawing. I4, I5 ends with a dot. So because of that reason, we write here A, B, S4, S5. Wherever you got to write this, and then E is one time we are moving, T is two times they are moving, go to that third production. Like that, we'll go on writing. Remaining all are there. Here, the main intention is to A plus B, same thing, wherever A star B, Diver in the reverse order. SLR always go with the reverse order. What is A, put it, match it here, and then reduce F tends to A, and then again and again we go on shifting the operation from left side. Whatever the symbol is there, move to that side and then match, move to that side and then match. Stack will be always taken that value from the left side terminal symbols. A first, star first, B here, go on reducing with respect to the particular non-terminal productions, with respect to the particular non reduce F tends to A, reduce F tends C. Always we're going to remove the particular productions, whatever A, F tends to A, so put it here F. What is that F reduces symbol? Every time you go on writing all the production source, and finally it ends with a dollar. So this is the way. Closer and go to practice once. I'll share this notes to you. Practice this once, you can get an idea of closer and actions and go to. Next come to the another part. Next come to the another part. We have a yak part. You go through this yak. Already you know about this yak, yak part. Finally, after knowing this one, yak in the sense, see, yak in the sense that are to be considered. Why it is not coming? Hmm. You have to open the file in the form of .y. Here they written one drawing. That means yak parser. Yak is nothing but where we going to use this yak in the sense in the parser. That means wherever we have a parser generator, we have a yak. In this yak, we have a yak compiler. Yak compiler always, you know already in the lab program, yak y.tab.c. Whenever we need to run the yak program, y.tab.c and y.tab.h for the header files. For to compile your yak program, we have a minus d options. Yak y.tab.c and y.tab.h and minus d options going to tell you the Yak compiler to compile and run the program of Yak. Y.tab.c will be the CC compiler. Already you know CC lex.yy.c. Here also y.tab.c. That here also we have a CC that will be going to give the output of files in a.out. Input string already you know dot y will be the extension, and then y.tab.h, y.tab.c will be the compiling options, and then it will go into give the output. Why it will be Yak will be coming in the sense certain automatic automation tools will be there for parser generation. Whenever syntactic trees, whenever augmented grammar will be there, whenever non-terminal symbols been present in the grammar, definitely we need to draw the parse tree. That is nothing but our Yak. That such automatic tools are generating the parser program. Yak also you note down yet another compiler already I told in the lab class also. Basically Yak is nothing but our LALR parser. LALR parser generator. Always we go with a left analyzing and left writing grammar. Always we have go in the form of LALR generator. Lex is a tool for dot lex, and then that means scanning the program from left to right, and Yak work together analyze the program effectively. So like that Yak also there, Lex part also there. I'll tell you in a few minutes. I'm going to take about this Yak part. See, in Yak, we have one more important thing. That means Yak specification. Already, you know, in the definition section, rule section, declaration section, one more is there special features in the y.tab.c in the sense it generates one file, a.out file, that with the help of some valid, invalid particular strings pattern, this grammar using the production rules of some context free grammar. Always one thing you need to remember, that's what I'm going to say. Whatever Yak program, that specification file always contains the grammar production rules. That means CFG, whatever CFG you learned till now, starting is there, terminal symbol is there, non-terminal symbol is there. Everything we will going to parse the string can be done using y.tab.c. y.tab.c only going to initiate all your symbols and all. Terminal, non-terminal symbol, productions, everything will be initiated by the that y.tab.c. Next, come to the last part of this one. So we have a simple we have a declaration, but it's already every class already we have a explained in your lab program about this definition section, rule section, subroutine section. Here also we have a token already the matching particular variables inside the Yak program. Token will be the input symbol, whatever the input entered into the program, that will go on matching. Use it to declare tokens in the Yak, so that we have percentage deval number. It may be number, it may be variable. The precedence and associative can be written in the program. Every time we already know left associative, that means minus, star. These are all the operators we are using. Everything you know about all these factors in the lab and all. So next, finally, we move on to the last part. So rule section. Rule already you know the semicolon, and then the tau operators for matching your terminal, non-terminal symbol. So YY error, YY parse, this should go through once. Okay. Next, after moving all these factors, how many are there today's class? 28. So, okay, one more important thing I want to discuss. See, this Sunday. Hello, Mohan Krishna Adibala. See, this Sunday, if I want, I will going to take class. Is it audible or what? Hello? Hello? All are sleeping or audible?
Audible, sir.
Okay. See, from college, one circular is coming. What in the sense for mentors, for proctors? See, in 6th semester proctors, we have to share what understanding about this online class to discuss with the parents. Okay, one class for the mentors. What to do? I will list them students. Okay, you just interact with your parents and give me a feedback through WhatsApp only, or will arrange one Zoom class, or simply you share your thoughts through WhatsApp only. So how many are there in my team, in my mentor? List out their names, and then I will tell you in the group. But you share the informations, how much you are taking knowledge of this online class, whether it is worthful or not. You take and then you give the response in my WhatsApp group, or we'll take one Zoom class for the same. And also for the test purpose, any difficulty faced in the first test? Anybody? Or else, how many minutes are there? Mohan Krishna, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗೋದು? ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ. 258 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು 257 ಅಂತ 2 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ